Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 and Windows 10 won't boot, how to fix master boot record. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. CColan. Boot directory and boot mgr file available on C drive. Type attrib -s, -h, -r, boot mgr. Type del boot mgr. Type rmdir space, /s space, boot. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Type disk part. Type list disk. No star under GPT indicates the system type is MBR. Type list vol. Volume 1 is system volume and volume 2 is Windows installed volume. Windows installed drive letter is D. Type bcd boot space, dcolan /Windows space, /s space, ccolan. Bootrec space, /fix mbr. Bootrec space, /fix boot, if any error use, bootsec space, /nt60 space, sys. Type attrib space, -s space, -h space, -r space, bcd. Type bootrec space, /rebuild bcd. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.